Hi, I'm Dr. Aaron Bailey, and I want to thank you for your interest in the position that I posted on Indeed. I'm sending you this video to help you just give a little bit of idea of what the office looks like before we have a conversation. So this is the office here, Vinings Spine and Health Center, formerly Vinings Family Chiropractic, but both affiliated. Come on in the office and let me show you around. So this right here is the front office and reception area. So this is the first stop on our tour, and you can go ahead and cut. Yeah, so this is the front office area here. Very nice and modern, high tech, clean curved walls here. This is labeled as medical suite. Right now I'm not using it for that. But this is a spinal decompression table. That's a Saunders. Does decompression for neck and low back. There's also an adjustment table here in the front currently. The good thing about these is, you know, they move around easily unless we want them to stay in place, and then we put some bumpers on them. But these are the Lloyd 401D tables. Absolutely love those tables. This is a vibration plate and just a massager over there, desk there, storage. Down the hallway, bathroom here on the left. Discover Chiropractic, of course we need to do that. Hand dryer there. This room here is where we do consultations. We've got the monitor, the big monitor here on the wall. I guess that's about 42 inches or so. This is where we do reports of findings. This is the main adjusting area here. Another Lloyd 401D table, love that table. High-low airdrop table here. Monitors on the wall where patients can come and check in. You can also look at their x-rays on the computer monitors to help with the adjustments. Ice, SOT blocks, microwave to heat up some stuff for heat. It's an open adjustment format. There is wall traction here. Simple rehabilitation, vibration plate, stair climber, treadmill. Yeah, smaller room here. I do surface EMG in this room and digital range of motion. It's our little re-exam room. This room here is the x-ray room, of course. We do digital x-ray, which is really cool. We can stitch the entire spine together. We can measure flexion, extension, cervicals. Really cool. X-ray room. Goes all the way back to 72 inches. We shoot everything at 40 inches since we got digital. And then the back office here. This is the back office here, and nice space. That TV's going to go away here, but storage, nice office space for 3 different areas. There's not a chair at this station right now, but we have the chair for it. There's a little couch here, refrigerator. Doctor's bathroom back here, another area where some storage is. So yeah, this is the office.